come on and show you some dies from Amazon. I did cut out how they look like, and I also have a scrapbook.com tiny haul, so I want to show you that first. So the first thing I did pick up was this crocodile replacement. I lent it to someone and it came back all smashed. I don't think they knew how to use it, so it's not working very well. So I bought the replacement. Hopefully it'll work better. And then I bought these Sparklets embellishments, and this one is called Barefoot Beach, and it's SPK 101, and it's from Buttons Galore and More. So you can see that there's stars, there's hearts and crystals, and there is sequins and pearls in this little. I wish they would give you more. So that's that one. Then I picked up We Are Memory Keepers Crafters Essentials Sticky Piercer, and I already used it. I used the piercing side, as you can see, and this side over here has the little sticky part where it picks up the little stars wherever they fall, and it's easy to take it out. So that's cool, because my other one that I had is not working very well. So that is that. And I did pick up the magic mat. I did use it to cut out the Amazon dies that I picked up, and it does work. I only had to go one and then the other one to release it, and it cut it perfectly. So that's good to know. I'm happy that I bought it, because I don't have to struggle anymore in cutting my dies from AliExpress or from Amazon. And they did have this in the box, and it says, "Hey there, we need your handmade cards, cards for kindness." So I guess they need cards. We sent them to them. So that is that for my scrapbook.com haul. Now I want to show you my Amazon dies. The first one I want to show you is this die here, and it has 3 bows. It makes a tiny bow, a medium bow, and a large bow. So this one is for the large. That's the large right there. So that one is this one right here. And I like the way it cuts. And I love the way it stays on the thing. And it does come with this, that you wrap it, that there, you wrap it around, and it's convenient. You don't have to worry about the little string there anymore, because it's already on the die. Then the medium one is this one right here. And this is how it cuts out, and it's nice and cute. So, and then the last one is this one right here, and it cuts out this teeny tiny little bow that in my finger it fits. Oops. Look how tiny that bow is. So that's how that looks. And like I said, you don't have to worry about the string falling and trying to glue it down. It already comes with a wrap, so just wrap it around and glue it. So that's easy. So I like this die set that I picked up from Amazon. I'm sure you could pick it up in AliExpress, but they take forever, so I just did it through Amazon. So that's the first one, the bows. The second bow that I picked up is this one. I know it looks like ones that I did pick up before, but this is just one bow, and it does cut the little slit so that you could fold it over in the middle, and it makes this bow right here, and it's pretty big, and I love the paper that I use because the paper is kind of like waxy, and it makes the bow not get crunched there. And I use the same paper for these little tiny ones too. And then the next bow that I picked up is this one right here, and it's that big bow with the slit in the middle. And so this is what I made, and I use that same paper there. Okay, the next die that I picked up from Amazon is this star die, and it has 3. So it has a large, medium, and a small. And the large star, and it's 3D, just like that. So you do have to fold in. That's how that's the inside, and that's how that's the large one. Then the medium is this one right here, and again it does fold in like that. You could glue it like this. And then the tiny one is like this underneath, and that's the tiny one. And like I said, it's 3D, so it does have a lot of dimension on it. Those are the 3 stars dies. The next one that I picked up was this butterfly, and it has 3 butterflies. It has the large one, the medium, and the tiny one. And let me show you the large first. It takes my whole hand there. And then the medium is right here. Excuse me, I almost sneezed. And then the tiny one is right there. The tiny one is so cute, you could put it on anything. And I like that it has the little cutout there. So that's how that looks. Then the next die that I picked up was this swirly die. And that's how this looks. So pretty. I love it. You could put it on your rosettes in the back. Put a rosette on top. Put some sequins on the rosette, and you have a cute little rosette with this in the back. And you could even put crepe paper in the middle here, a little smaller, and then the rosette and that, and it'll look very nice. And then the next die that I picked up was this little pocket. So this pocket comes with a lot of hearts. Let me open it up to show you. So this is the pocket, and then this is the little card that goes inside, and then this is to decorate the front of the little pocket, and this is to decorate the back of the pocket. And this is how that looks. So this is the pocket, and you see I did decorate the front of the pocket with those hearts. The back I left it empty, but this is how that looks if I would have put it on. So that one is this large one here, and that's how that looks. And now the little card is right here, and it does indent the heart where it belongs, right there. It indents the paper, and it does fit in the pocket like that. You can embellish the front, and you can even embellish this part here. Then it does come with these Love Mom. And that's how this looks. The mom and the love. Let me put this to the side. That's how that looks. Then this one and this one is a heart, and this heart could be embellished on that one. So it comes with a whole bunch of hearts. Let me show you all the hearts. It has this one and this one, and it cuts out that little tiny heart, which you could use to embellish this heart. And so this heart could embellish this, or this heart could embellish this, because all of them do fit in here like that. And this one. But I use this one to make this, and it came out cute. You can make these to give away, little embellishes, and you could start putting some sequins in here. You could make some ruffles in the back, or you could even put this in the back and decorate it like that. I thought that was so pretty, which I think I'm going to do that and make some embellishments to give in Happy Mail. And then the other heart, this heart is this one right here. As you can see. And then this heart is this one right here. Because turn it around, and then I saved the heart from that one, and I did put it in here. And this one also is with the so that one is this one, and then I embellished it with the heart in the back. And this does, you could put it here and write a little note and close it up and put it in the pocket like that. And then these two hearts, the heart from here, from the love and the mom, it's right here. You could save those, and you could even put it on the other hearts. You could embellish this like that also, or you could even put it on this heart here like I did here. You could put it also in the back. So that's that die. And the last die that I picked up was this one with the stamps, with the tickets. No, this is stamps. So I did cut it out, and I did cut out with love, that little banner, and that's how that looks with love. Sorry for the glare. And then the large stamp, I just stamped it out from my Flourish collection, and I did that. You could decorate this and put it in Happy Mail also. You could even make it as a ticket or a tag. You can make one of those holes there and make it as a tag and embellish it. Then the next one, it does come with 5 of them. And then this one, I did use my Flourish paper. And then that one. And then the last one is this one right here, which is so cute. And that is it for my Amazon haul. I still have a couple of more. I have the In Love Hearts dies, and this one from Amazon, which I haven't cut out yet. So, and then I have my stamps from Heidi Swapp, Studio Calico, and Elizabeth Crafts. So I'll come back with that. And I'm running on delay on showing you my craft room because my husband is working on the lights. when he heard that I was gonna show it, he says, no, let me put the lights for you. So he put new lights, but not lights in the closet. So maybe, hopefully Tuesday, I could show you my craft room, and then I'll show you the other craft room not painted or fixed up, because that's gonna take some time also. So that is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave it down below, and I would love to have you subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.